Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. Fit type. Vehicle specific. ACDelco Professional Windshield Washer Pump is a high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: wiper and washer. This premium aftermarket pump is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Buy reliability by genuine GM parts. A little over 2.5 years ago I bought a $8 washer pump. It really don't work well since I installed it low pressure, just barely hit the windshield, it just now failed. I bought genuine GM washer pump for $25. It has high pressure, cleans the windshield well.